Hello friends, this is Jimmy from Can Heaven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding the municipal nominee program that we are all anticipating it from long time. I'm getting so many calls, letters, emails, right? When it's going to start, what will be look like. So again, as I was going through IRCC website and found some of the interesting facts that they are still working on it. The anticipated date for this one is somewhere between uh, summer month of like July to August of next year in 2020. And again, like this, they haven't given us the exact date, they're just giving an anticipation, because as you guys know, the situation at this moment is not in favorable right now to start anything new. They are only working on the previous quotas, the things to improve the incoming immigrants for international students, right? Those kind of things. But the anticipation is that between month of June and August, there will be this program can be introduced. So how the things will work, uh, as you guys all know that we have got some of the little bit information before. There is a not much detail like how they will be choosing the municipalities, but again, in this program, as that is for sure, like there will be no big cities involved. This will be allowed for the smaller communities, because as you guys all know, in the smaller communities, most of the new immigrants, they don't want to go there and they don't want to settle out there. Majority of the immigrants who want to come to Canada, they want to settle either in Montreal, Vancouver, Toronto, all those big cities, right? So after that, where the small cities will get their new employees, the skilled worker, or their labor shortage and all those things, where will so that's why the government is coming up with this program where majority of the small municipalities will be given the power to nominate the skilled workers, and they will be getting permanent residence through those small community. So it also says that there will be 5,000 applications, or the principal applicant will be allowed per year for this program. As you guys all know, most of the pilot program go for the 3 year in the beginning, and when it will become successful, then they will launch it for further years. But at this moment, it will be only for the 3 year program. Also, the another thing in this one, this program is also expected to work by the employer sponsorship. As you guys all know, the RNIP program, Rural Northern and Immigration Pilot Program, that is also through the employer sponsorship and through the municipal sponsorship. So again, this program will also work through that kind of scenario. These are only the scenarios right now. There is no concrete information available. I'm just putting this video because getting a lot of inquiries when is going to start, what will be. So whatever I have known so far, I'm putting it out for you. Uh, Again, with the employment, newcomer will be allowed to choose to live where they have the jobs lined up before they coming to Canada. In exchange, they will also receive the permanent residence. Again, if you guys will choose to live in smaller communities, then those municipalities will be able to give the sponsorships, and with that letter, you guys all will be eligible to apply for the permanent residence in those municipalities. So again, there is a no clear-cut deadline like what will be the number of population, the minimum or the maximum, how the municipalities will uh, sponsor that, but it will be very much similar to our NIP program, where the candidates have to apply for those municipalities, and they will be directly being chosen or say said no to them. And after that, you will be getting points for your age, experience, language proficiency, education, or some of the other factors, right? How much money you are bringing with you, financial stability, and all other factors are coming into play. So that's the information we have so far. So hopefully, middle of next year, you guys will see this one on the map of CAC website, and will be able to go through that. If I'll get some more information, I'll put it out for you. But at this moment, we're anticipating it for the middle of 2021. So that was the little update regarding municipal nominee program. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.